So tell us what we got in the box, and what it is, and everything else.
A Bissell SpotClean ProHeat. Take on your toughest spots and stains with the power of Bissell.
Better.
It's model number 5207R.
The R, guess what the R stands for?
Remanufactured.
You got it right.
Instructions.
Be sure to save those.
Okay.
And there it says the packaging contents. It's supposed to have the flex hose clip, the hose clip, the quick release cord wrap, tool storage, 3-inch tough stain tool, and trial size formulas.
Okay.
So I actually bought some Hoover formula, but it looks like this will have some formula.
You pull it out. It's a little dirty from cardboard,
That's fine.
but
Nothing a little wipe down can't fix. It looks new.
yeah, it does. It does look new.
It's in a lot better condition than the refurbished or remanufactured PowerForce Turbo I got. That one had some issues.
SpotClean ProHeat Pet.
I think that's even the same color as the one you would have got at Walmart, because I think that's the purple one.
So there's the machine itself.
Target has the green one.
And then all the attachments and stuff should be in here.
Right.
Okay. Assuming to hold this SpotClean tool.
Yep.
Okay, and then the trial size.
Oh, that's adorable.
2 times concentrated formula.
Well, that's good. The formula is supposedly really good. Is that everything? Yep.
That's everything.
Not a lot, but I mean, yeah, because the hose is already attached, so that should be good enough for most things.
Yeah.
And that snaps on just like that, if you put it on properly.
There we go. There's the lever. There's the release.
Well, that's for if you need to clean it. You press the little button that it clips on with.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And you've got your chamber for the formula.
Yep.
Then your chamber for the dirty water.
Yeah, pretty self-explanatory. I think those just pull out, right? I think.
Yes.
Yeah, that's easy. And just snap right in.
I'm going to do a demonstration on this chair first.
Really?
Yes.
Yeah, because the reason is, where's Ruby? Is she still
in her cage?
She's still in the cage.
Yeah.
Yeah. What did you say that Ruby did today that especially made you glad that we got this?
She threw up everywhere.
Oh God, that's not great. So yes, this machine is not gonna be in my collection as like a collectible. This is, well, mostly his.
We've got another one coming as well.
That one I have already, and so I'll do an unboxing of that tomorrow. And that one is a little bit more collectible, and that's the one that I'll keep at home. So, which I actually bought that one by complete accident, because the other one, which you'll see in the next video, or at least an upcoming video, is similar to this, but it's an older version. And that one I actually bid on, or like I sent an offer to the seller, and eBay sent me a screenshot, sent me a response saying, you missed out on this item. And I looked at the screen, it said, you missed out on this item, and I even screenshotted it just to make sure I wasn't going crazy. I screenshotted it, and they, so like, you know, like, okay, well, I missed out on this. And then since I missed out on that other one, I bought this one. Except then a few days later, I go and it says, oh, hey, you won the counteroffer. Please pay now. And by that time I saw that, this had already shipped. so I couldn't cancel either one of them. So this one, after taxes, I think was, one of them was 111, the other one was 116. I think this one was 111, which is not that much less than buying a new one, because a new one's like 120, right? So
Yeah.
but you know, it is less wasteful because it's remanufactured and it's not a new one. So see if that does anything. I'll be honest, I haven't used one of these in a very long time, so I forgot completely how to use one of these. But let's see if we can figure it out. Is it doing anything?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I can see it's picking stuff up.
It's working.
That's good. It's not too loud either. It's a little bit quieter than the vacuum, which makes sense. I just realized this is even the same color as your vacuum, so it all matches.
Yeah.
So that's kind of cool. Yeah, it looks like it's working. What? That noise didn't sound good. That's kind of weird. Did it just like not pick up anything?
Oh, what? Oh,
Is it broken?
no, it just fills up. Into here. The suction's working.
I might have to do some more research on this and figure out how it's actually supposed to work. So this is that's the dirty water tank, right?
Yeah.
You filled up the correct tank?
Yeah, it says dirty.
Huh? Maybe it's just not that dirty. Did you put the solution in?
Yeah. Yeah, there's the suction. It must just take a lot for it to fill up.
Yeah, probably, because I would imagine this couch or this chair probably isn't that dirty.
I didn't put much water on it either.
Well, that could be it. It's probably not enough water. Did you read the manual? Because I sure didn't.
It's still pretty damp.
It says there's a video on it. I might have to watch it and see what's up with this. Because we're probably using it wrong. But it works.
That it does.
I think you're supposed to go a little bit slower.
I'm scrubbing it right now.
Oh yeah, with the brush. There we go, it's working.
Yeah, it works fine.
Well, that's good. What?
Your ramen.
Oh, I probably burned it, didn't I?
No, you probably just made it really mushy.
Yeah, mushy ramen.
You better eat it.
Don't worry, I will. Alright, well, at least it seems to work. It seems to not be a piece of crap, so that's good. Yeah, see, like that, there's stuff in there.
Is there?
Should be.
Oh, there is. Okay.
I'll read the manual and I'll make sure
Well, there's dirty water in there.
Yeah, so it is working.
So it just takes a minute to fill it up.
Well, yeah, because these surfaces probably aren't all that dirty. Obviously, if you're vacuuming up an actual stain, then yeah, it's probably gonna take a lot more. All right, so we're gonna try it right here, and that should do the trick. This is where Ruby peed, which is just lovely.
Wow.
You can see the white spot. I don't think it likes it when you move it while it's on. Some of those stains might actually have to be pre-treated for them to come up all the way. But you can tell it's doing something. It's helping for sure. So it's working. Obviously it's going to have an easier time with fresher stains. But you can see that nice white streak, it's doing it. Is it just me or is it making it dirtier now?
It's pulling the stains up.
Oh, I see. You would think I would know more about these, but apparently not. Considering I have so many normal vacuums. Yeah, look, it's doing something. Yeah, like that. That's much better. Well, it seems to work.
That spot is a lot better.
Yeah.
It's not too damp. Seems to work.
Yeah.
More water juices are in there.
Water juices. Dirty water juices.
Mm-hmm.
Well, yeah. So, how do you like it?
I like it.
Okay. Good. So, should I end this video?
Yes.
Okay. Say bye to the YouTubes.
Bye. See how it does on the pillow.